to shoot a vlog. So I have come to the studio to shoot a vlog, and I have to visit also the studio. So it looks so good from the outer. So I should show you. It is, and so many people are here to shop the Hindi version, the English version, because the maximum people come from English version only. Now generation nobody comes from the Hindi version. So yeah, oh, I have seen one more thing. Like, this is Zudio and upper is JP. Okay, then it looks like so much good. And my mother, she is my mother. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so I will meet you after reaching up to the mall.
Entering in.
अरे पॉज करो,
चलो
पॉज करो.
कहाँ से होता है? रेड फिर
इसके बगल वाला. Okay, so I have reached to the upper, and now I will show that the variety of clothes and the variety of clothes there are. Like, many clothes are there. Like, this. I will give you a full tour. This is mirror, and this is me. And there are many tops and like jeans, crop tops for the other ones, and like that. So yeah, I have come to the video, and I don't know. My mother went to the shop, and my mother is sorting clothes. And yes, there are dummies also. Many dummies there. The security guard, the dummies, and many people have also come to shop. And one more mirror. Okay, so let's move. Now there are many tops, as I have told, dummy. And okay, this is then women's style, and this is like the lipsticks and all. And this is like sleepers, all the sleepers. And this is nail paints. These are nail paints, and these are, I think so, lipsticks and all. Yes. And yeah, these are lipsticks and all. This is, I think so, from here it is nail paints, and here it is like the products of makeup. And all things are available at Zudio. Like, it is at all quality. Like, it is the, I think so, Zudio clothes are always good, I think so. I don't know why, but I have wear only Zudio. Like, I have vision. I have I have wear this top. This shirt is also from the Zudio only. And one more mirror again. I don't know why that I like to show me in the mirror always. And yeah, then we should go forward. Then one small mirror, and one big mirror. There are mirrors all the way. And like, these are shoes, these are sleepers, and these are also sleepers. And these are like tops. Oops, what happens? I think so. These are night suits that I want, but I don't know where is my mom is. So I should find her. I don't know where she gone. Like, I'm feeling very cold here because the AC is going on. And my mother, which color? My mother is asking me. Okay, this one. Yeah. Okay, this one is also looking good. Same. Why? Okay, guys, you tell.
This one. Which color?
Guys, you tell. This one is looking good or like this one is looking good. I think both are looking good, but I think this one is looking more better. I think so. I think so. This looks more better. Why?
I think this one.
This one. Okay. Okay. You should try it. Then you will get what happened. Okay, it is looking good. And there are dresses, and many people are here to shop, and many people are trying. Yes, this is me, and many people are trying to like. Yes, what should I show here? Like there are so many dresses behind me, and kurtis, and shopping for kids, and many more. There is like everything in the Zudio or in every mall. It is in Zudio everything is available. Like not like that toys and that all. Like all the things. I mean uh, I mean I should say like clothes. Every clothes here. Every cloth is available here, and sandals are available here, and all types of all sizes of clothes are available here. And so let's go upstairs. Okay, so I will also give you tour of the whole Zudio mall, and these are here also that, and here also the sleepers. Let's go upwards. Okay, I will meet you after. Okay, so I have gone upwards, and now here is like downwards. It was of women. Now here is men and the kids. Men. Or like here is all types of. Yes. So I will give you a tour of all the shoes. Like there are t-shirts, jeans, and a whole shirt, half shirt, and here are for kids, girls, from 7 to 14. Okay, and then one more thing. And there are 7 to 14 boys. This is for boys, and this is also for boys. And I think so. This is also for boys, and that is for girls. Okay, so one child is roaming here and here. Like he is enjoying. Like the child is enjoying the whole mall. There's one more child. The child are very small. I am also a child, but I don't care. Okay, then the whole like of men's and man's. I have like shopped too much from the Zudio, so I have many clothes, and I don't need to like. I don't need. I don't. So let's go down to Zodi. That I don't like the uppers. Let's go to our mall. Okay. So like the uppers, I have so many clothes of Zudio, so I don't need any clothes of Zudio. And yes, here is and I have been to Agra. Then Agra Zudio, the Zudio in Agra are many. So I have come downwards. So let's find our mall. Yes, here is she. Okay, so that's all for today. Meet you in the next vlog. Bye guys.